Hi guys, today I teaching you how to do pen spinning like this way. Okay, this is very cool way and cool style to spin the pen. Means to spin a pen. Okay, this is very nice way. Okay, guys, you learn it very easy. In 3 minutes, you learn the basic things, and afterwards you have to do some practice, and you become a very pro of pen spinning. Okay guys, this is very easy one, my favorite one this week, and this is for beginner video. If you are beginner in pen spinning, then you have to must watch this video. Okay guys, and you can see sometime pen happen like this also if you start the pen spinning. Okay guys, and this video is going to be a next level video. Okay guys, let's we go. Okay, let's begin. Okay guys, first of all you have to take your comfortable pen. Okay, this pen is my comfortable pen. I have very comfortable with this pen. Okay, you can look how I spin in the pen, very pro player like. Sometime is fell down also, that not way it fell down again and again, but you have to never give up. Okay guys, try and try that tips. Okay, you can see, take any your comfortable pen. Okay, first of all take your comfortable pen. This is the first one, don't forget to take one. Means take comfortable pen. Okay, now let's begin. You have to do this way. Okay, you have to first you have to do, okay, catch your pen like this and do it like this. Okay, in school you so many times you do like this to your pen. Okay, now you have to catch your pen like this and do like this. Okay, again and again, again and again, again and again, continuously. Okay, this is very easy bro, anyone can do this way. Okay, then afterwards you have to do this way again and again, and your first finger you have to do up and down, up and down. Okay, okay guys, let we go, up and down, up and down. Okay guys, and to your middle finger you have to do that front back, that way. Okay, front back, up and down, first finger up and down, second finger front back. Okay, then you finally get your some results in few days only. Okay guys, try it and follow it. Okay guys, this is a best tip and you can do it very easy one. Okay, I say you, this is very easy one, anyone can do it guys. Is what I can say, it is not easy also guys, it is a very easy. Okay, now try it some time. Now you starting to try, it's become very hard for you, but few days you automatically